Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. These are going to be some verbal instructions on how to complete the water molecule lab. Okay, our water molecule lab is going to start on this slide right here with our question of the day. And our question is, how does water temperature impact molecule movement? Now, all week long, we have been talking about thermal energy. We learned about what heat is. Heat is the transfer of the energy. We learned about temperature. Temperature is the measurement of the molecule movement, but it's the average measurement. We can also say it's the average measurement of the kinetic energy, either one. We learned about conduction, which is the transfer of energy through direct contact. We learned about convection, which is the transfer of energy through gas or liquids, and radiation, which is the transfer of energy through electromagnetic waves. Radiation can travel through empty space. So our question that we're going to be answering with this lab is, how does water temperature impact molecule movement? To begin, you need to tell me, what do you think? You're going to write a hypothesis statement. A hypothesis statement is a 1 to 2 sentence statement telling me what you think the answer is to the question. Okay, so I gave you a sentence stem to start you off, and you can finish the sentence stem by completing the sentence. So the sentence stem starts with, water temperature impacts molecule movement by, and then you're going to finish that sentence telling me what you think. There is no right or wrong answer here. This is just letting me know what your educated guess is. On the next slide, you're going to see a video of the water temperature experiment. You will need to watch this video probably several times to be able to record your observations for each one. I honestly recommend you watch it first and then look at the slide and watch it again, okay, and complete your observations. And let me show you. On the next slide, I've given you 3 jars that represent the 3 jars in the video. The temperature in the video, I do not believe, is provided, so you can leave those blanks, but your observations, you can click in and tell me, what do you see? Okay, so as she pours the food coloring dye into each jar, I want you to write down, what do you notice about each one? There should be some differences. They're not all going to be the same. Okay, on the next slide is your conclusion. So based on your observations, did the water temperature impact the water molecules and how they move? You're going to complete these 2 conclusion statements. I've given you your sentence stems here. You can finish the sentences based on using your using your observations to answer your question on slide 3. Okay, this is going to be our water molecule lab. If you have any questions, please send me an email or ask me on Friday during our Zoom class. Good luck. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you all soon.